how to transfer money from SoFi to Apple Pay. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer money from SoFi to Apple Pay. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the SoFi app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on banking. Then you have to tap on transfer. After that, you have to tap on transfer money. Then enter your Apple Pay credentials in this two section. After that, just enter the amount that you want to transfer and tap on review. And your money will be transferred from SoFi to Apple Pay. So that's how you can transfer money from SoFi to Apple Pay. That's all for this video.